I came across the Ninja 400 LED from Weeylite on Amazon. This light costs just half of the C120D II and it has the same build and light quality as well as the same functions and more. I really like the built-in quiet fan. I barely hear anything from the light while recording. The color temperature is surprisingly good. I tested with the white balance card and the reading is pretty much close to the Kelvin number on the controller. The locking mechanism is easy, fast and secure. All of the cables from the adapter to the controller and the light. The battery is not included, but I have tried with my V-mount battery and it lasts long. The mobile app saves me so much time. I don't have to bring the remote with me and just control the light right from my phone. I definitely can buy two of these instead of one C120D II.